I'm Evelyn, and today I'm going to go over how to create the VHS effect. First, you're going to want to add some noise to your video clip. And then we're going to keep it at 0.3 TV static, and then use soft light as the blend mode. Next, I'm going to look up a Gaussian blur. There it is. Drag that to the clip too, and then change the amount to 3. After that, you're going to look up the sharpen effect, drag that over, and we're going to add, let's say 8. That's usually a good amount, 8 or 9 around there. I'll say 8. Next, we'll add the prism effect, and I'll keep it at around 3 or 4, usually whichever looks best. Let's see, I think 3 looks good on this one. And then look up the bad TV effect, drag that over, and have it at Gaussian. And you could play around with the effects and see which fits best, and I think 4 looks good on this, just to have a subtle look on there. And then after that, I'm just going to go to the triangle here, and then go to saturation, raise the master to around 20, the blacks or shadows down 20. I go to exposure, raise up the highlights around 20. I like to keep things at around 20 because it's not a lot. It won't change the image a lot, like we won't get super bright clouds. So this is a little change on there. And then for color, I'm gonna select the master circle here. If you look at old videos, you can kind of see that a cooler tone looks best. So you kind of want to keep these in the order that I did them, just to have this look. So first we added the noise and the Gaussian blur, then sharpen, then prism, then bad TV, then we changed the color and exposure and saturation. So after that, you can save the preset. So we have all these effects, and we can name it VHS effect. That way it's always saved to your software if you want to ever use it in another clip. Like let's say this one, I'll just go here, and I saved it in custom. And let's see, it should be on here, VHS effect. Just drag it over, and you see it already has the effect. To give it more of a real effect, you can always change the crop size. So go to trim, and then change the left and right to around 600, just to give it the standard picture size on there instead of the HD. I think it looks good. Anyways, that's how you do the VHS effect, and yeah, thank you for watching.